Here's a level 7 type question. We have 4c to the power of 8 plus 7c to the power of 4. And that's one binomial is multiplying another binomial, 7c to the 8 plus 6c to the 4. Okay, so what's happening is everything inside the first binomial is multiplying everything inside the second binomial. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the 4c to the power of 8, and it's going to multiply everything over here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is the 4c to the power of 8 is going to multiply the 7c to the power of 8. So the 4 multiplies the 7, that gives us 28. The c to the 8 multiplies the c to the 8, and that gives us c to the 16. When you're multiplying powers with similar bases, when you're multiplying powers, you add the exponents, right? So we get c to the 16. Alright, so 28c to the 16. Then the 4c to the 8 multiplies the 6c to the 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. C to the 8 times, C to the 8 times C to the 4, add the exponents, is going to be C to the 12. So we're going to get 24 C to the 12. Then it's the 7C's, now the 4C to the 8 has multiplied everything over here. So it's the 7C to the 4's turn. So it's going to multiply everything. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to multiply the 7C to the 8. Okay, and this is the I part of FOIL. So the first one, the two first multiplied, then the two outers multiplied, now the two inners are multiplying. So the 7c to the 4 multiplies 7c to the 8, 7 times 7 is 49, c to the 4 times c to the 8, once again, is c to the 12. Okay, so 49c to the 12, then 7c to the 4 multiplies 6c to the 4, 7 times 6 is 42, c to the 4 times c to the 4, add the exponents, c to the 8. So we get 42 c to the 8. Now we just want to add our like terms. Okay? Now I have c to the 16. That's the only c to the 16 I have. Okay? Here we have c to the 12 and c to the 12. They both have the same base, the same exponents, so they're like terms. Okay? There are no other like terms here. Okay? They all have c's. Okay? But that does not mean they're like terms. They have to have the same base with the same exponents to be like terms, to be addable. Well, everything's addable, but to be able to add together to get something less complicated. All right, so the 24 adds to the 49, and that gives us 73. C to the 24 c to the 12 plus 49 c to the 12 is 73 c to the 12s. You don't add the c to the 12s, right? You don't add the 12s together. It's like saying, you have 24 chickens plus 49 chickens is 73 chickens. It's not chickens squared or chickens to the, it's not monster chickens. All right, so we have 28c to the 16 plus 73c to the 12 plus 42c to the 8. And that's how you do a level 7 question. Have a good day.